Well, what does that mean for Fort Wayne? So that's what we're asking our community. And then we will hone that into a program that we taught from pre-K to 12th grade. So that's the ideal graduate. So where do we go from here? Today is just the beginning. We see this as a constant process, i.e. it should never really sunset. It should be always reviewed because we know things change. But I can say that as we launch from here, and we do have a company that's leading this for us, a consultant group called Ford NGL. And Ford is part of the Ford Motor Company. And they've done it in some other cities across our country. And they are taking this and they will help steer us. But it has to be Fort Wayne Community Schools. It has to be Greater Fort Wayne. It cannot just be, hey, this is something someone's passed to us. We have to own it. And I think that's probably the most important piece. If we can truly embed this in what we're doing every day in our classrooms, and I think one of the previous speakers said it best, when a kindergartner can recite what this is, then we've really started to embed it. And then by the time they're a high school senior, it should be very natural. So we have really, we look at we call it the multi-tiered systems of support, so MTSS. There are really two sides to that. It's about academics, but it's also about well-being, social well-being of our students. So we see this as tying both of those sides of the triangle to create even stronger base. And if we can truly do this well, we will see it embedded in what we're doing every day in our buildings. And regardless of whether you're at Kroninger or you're at Abbott or you're at Northside or Wayne, it doesn't matter. It should be consistent across the district. That consistency is important, and that continuity as it reaches all of our students and really all of our families. Having not experienced this before, but just been given instructions, there are various teams. There are elementary teams, middle school teams, and high school teams. Each team will come to consensus on, I believe, 4 different attributes. Then they will gather all that data and they will process it for us. We'll then reconvene and have subgroups or even additional focus groups to communicate what is this, what have we generated here, does that land, is it something that, as I speak with government leaders, as I speak with business leaders and education leaders, and again, we have everyone represented here today. So we have both, I didn't mention this, we also have post-secondary partners here as well. So it is truly a community phenomenon. And again, this is the beginning.